Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to compare the display comparison between the iQOO Neo 7 device versus iQOO 9 SE device. And this is another question which has been requested by a couple of my subscribers asking me to compare both phones side by side, and that's what I'm going to take a look at in this video regarding the display comparison between these both phones. And let's find out what are the changes which has happened in the iQOO Neo 7 device when compared with the iQOO 9 SE smartphone. So first thing, the change is that regarding the display size, the display size has been slightly kind of 6.7 inches. That's a small change when compared with the previous display. Let me to show you the display screen size of the previous one, the iQOO 9 SE, which has got the 6.62 inches versus 6.78 inches in the iQOO Neo 7 device. And you can see the slightly slim bezels, little bit, that's not a huge but just little bit slim bezels I can actually observe between these both phones. And screen to body ratio is also improved at 87%, and the screen brightness is about 1300 nits of brightness and 1200 nits of brightness in the iQOO 9 SE device, as you can see regarding the overall display specifications. So overall, both phones, they do have the pretty good AMOLED panel display, and they should be able to perform pretty good and decent. And now let's compare the both phones regarding the display using the application. So from this point of time, I am not editing any of the video. I will be using it the full brightness mode between these both phones to demonstrate. So let me do exactly open the application, and right now I'll be using with the screen color test. So both phones are changed to exact 100% brightness, and now you should be able to see the color accuracy, which phone has got what type of accuracy between most of the colors. As you can see friends, and now let me try to do the maximum brightness test which is available right now, just in case. So in this shot, the iQOO 9 SE looks slightly more saturated regarding the yellowish kind of color when compared with the iQOO Neo 7 device. And next is the minimum brightness. Let me turn off the lights. So right now all the lights are completely turned off, and now you should be able to see the minimum brightness. So minimum brightness between these both phones, I can see some flickering happening in the iQOO 9 SE device. So slightly more saturated it looks on the iQOO 9 SE. Let me do the test again. And I'm trying to show you the different viewing angles, so how it actually looks like. So you can see the iQOO 9 SE looks pretty good regarding the red color, but iQOO Neo 7 changes the color to white from the side angle view. And now next color, the green. So now let me play the video between these both phones. So right now, as you can see friends, both phones I'm trying to play the same video between these two devices, and definitely the iQOO Neo 7 device looks slightly kind of big display. You can definitely compare the display resolution, screen size, the iQOO Neo 7 looks when compared to the iQOO 9 SE, and both phones are at 100% brightness capacity. And right now let me pause at this moment and try to take a look at the overall color saturation levels, how it actually looks like between these two devices. The viewing angles I'm trying to show you between these both phones. And the bottom one is the iQOO 9 SE, and the top one is the iQOO Neo 7 device. So in this way you'll be able to differentiate. And right now I'm trying to continue the video, and with the full brightness mode I'm trying to use. And this with the low brightness, and this is with the high brightness. So overall friends, for me it looks pretty close to each other, nothing much huge difference going on regarding the display. After watching certain amount of time I did not notice, but if you want slightly big display, iQOO Neo 7 has got slightly more big display and more battery when compared with the iQOO 9 SE. So right now you can see the color saturation levels, how it looks like. And let me turn on the light of the studio. And right now these are the video sample. As I said, the both phones are fantastic friends regarding the overall colors, but if you ask me which phone is the best one, I did feel the big display, if you like, might be the iQOO Neo 7, which is another option for you all. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and in case if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Until then, stay tuned, signing off, and bye.